Hi, this is Robin with Expert Village. We're getting ready to go ahead and put some dimension to this drawing. This is pretty fun to do. This is when it gets fun to start drawing. First I'm going to just start on the edge and come down. I'm going to make this pull out. It's going to start looking like a soccer ball here in a second, just from the dimensions I put onto here. So I'll go all the way around the drawing. Some people I taught like to just draw their lines and come back and do the circles. I just like to do the parallel and do it all while I'm right there. As I was talking about making a copy of Skeleton Wise, there are so many different ways you can go from here on this drawing. I'll show you a few samples in the next video. But the number of game moves possible in a game of chess are astronomically higher than the number of visible atoms in the universe. I can't even comprehend the atoms in my fingernail, let alone the universe. So it's something eternal. It goes on forever. With music, we have 88 keys on the keyboard, and it goes on. You add rhythm in there and keys, signatures. It's eternal. It's an eternal thing that goes on forever. That's what I like about music, is it's never ending. And you come to people, there's over 115 different personality traits, and it's the same thing. There's no two people alike. Even identical twins have different personality traits. And then when you come to drawing like this, your imagination can just go wow, because there's so many ways to draw this drawing just from the way it is. And on my next clip I'll show you some of those ways. We just follow this pattern all the way around, and you can see it turning into a 3D clip, sort of right here. A drawing. People call it the soccer ball because that's kind of what it reminds me of, a soccer ball. So I'm going to finish putting these in here. And then we'll have our dimensions set on here, and then we'll just have to decide how we're going to do the middle of it. And there's several ways you can do that, and on the next clip we'll go over those, and then we can decide which drawing we're going to pick to color in and make into a transparency so we can make it into a mirror. See how quick that was?